Next up on the bench at the Denim Doctor, Jacob and Cohen jeans, in for a very common issue, what happens with them as they age. As you can see, the fronts, this is obviously inside out, the fronts get very, very thin. It's very hard for you to pick it up, but if you wear Jacob and Cohen jeans all the time, and as they get to maybe about 2 years old, they start to get little holes in like this, and the fronts get very, very thin. So obviously, like, you know, they're very expensive jeans, and obviously people want to keep them going. So we do some reinforcement and restoration type work. So with this one here, we're going to be putting some cotton all the way from below the knee where it's thin, all the way covering the knee, all the way up to the top of the top thigh. We're going to put we're going to bond a new piece of fabric on the inside, and then I'm going to stitch it in as well. And then we're going to do some running repairs over the holes, and then we're going to tidy it all up for the customer and make them wearable again for him. We're going to do a little bit on the front underneath the fly, that's gone as well. Yep, so if you've got any Jacob Cohen jeans and they need some restoration work, repair work doing, we're based in Manchester, but we do postal service. Drop me an email or check out the website, thedenimdoctor.co.uk. There's lots of before and after examples on there. Also on my Instagram page as well, you can see there's lots and lots of before and after examples of work that we've done. We're really, really good at doing all the restoration work, especially on Jacob Cohen jeans. Been doing it for well over 10 years now, the Denim Doctor service. We're very well known in our profession for doing all expert work on jean restoration. So drop me an email and I will gladly keep your Jacob Cohen jeans going for you. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.